Restitution is required for any harm or injustice done. It isn't sufficient to say, I'm sorry. We are sorry. It isn't sufficient to say justice has been done. Justice must be seen to have been done. Some actions must be taken to repair what could be repaired. So are there areas I need to restore the past? Are there do-overs I need to do? I have to play my part. Be a messenger of restitution when it comes, when it is needed the most. To do so is to restore order. It is the way of peace. God love you. God bless you. If you've been inspired, please like, share, subscribe, make comments, spread the word, and send us your feedback. Thank you.